What's up everyone, this is Kenny here. So today we are still going to get some good food, but today is a little bit different. I'm bringing you to SouthLink lifestyle apartment. Above is a service apartment, but there is a retail component on B1 and ground floor, okay? So it's behind me, so let's take a look at what they have to offer. Let's go. That's KL Gateway. So you just take the road down here. You will come to offices here. This is a grade A offices, vertical. And you will see this signboard here, SouthLink. So you go straight, you commune living, but you could take this road, go down, you will go to the commercial area parking, that side, okay? So the commercial area parking is actually in B2, B3, and I'm here at the retail part. So I'm going to take you to a SouthLink lifestyle apartment for food actually. So this is the main door. If you're coming on foot lah, usually you just park in B2 and B3. Okay, come on a weekend, it's a fixed rate of 2 ringgit. So this is how it looks like inside. Let's go. I'm here on a Sunday actually, Sunday morning. So immediately come in, you'll be greeted with this. Just to tell you where you are, you're in SouthLink. This is Kubis and Kale. Okay, they have Sushi Village, they have Waffle Escape, they have a coffee there, Starbucks, Mixware. This I'm on B1. This is level B1, okay? Level B1 is the one that we reached. Okay, this is Kubis and Kale. And then you have Foodcity there. It's a food court. A lot of stuff inside. So you go straight, it's actually a commune living and commune co-working spaces. They still have retail spots up on the ground floor. There's a Boon Signature Roast Pork. And we have a La Belle Patisserie. That's a kindergarten. Pap Sang, Korean food. The noodle experts are here. So you go all the way behind. I'm still on the B1. Chika Tiki. Okay. Jamaica Blue Cafe. You want some atas Jamaican blue, atas coffee, the Blue Mountain coffee is served here. It's actually the most expensive coffee in the world, Blue Mountain. And that is the exit to commune co-living. They have also a mini market here. Obviously this is to serve all the residents around here and also the commune co-living. Mini market quite well stocked. So let's go and get something to eat, shall we? I'm at the exit of SouthLink retail component. When you come out from here, okay, you will see that staircase, right? It will lead to commune co-living. It's also by UOA. So I'm now entering Foodcity and let's see what they have lah. Beautiful mural. So at the start here we have a lot of Chinese cuisine. What's that? Ayuan curry mee, ma zi fan mee, Vietnamese cuisine. Ini ramen. Okay, you want biryani? Pork soup, dry chicken noodle. Oh, this is where they serve their drinks. You can see the nice cups, very nostalgic cups. So inside here, there is also some more stalls for you to try. Hong Kong Chinese stir fry stalls. Steamed food. Your classic dumpling, okay, pot main course. This chicken. What else? Okay, my Thai food. feeling some Western, there's also Western food. The classic wonton mee, chicken rice, all available here. When you come to Foodcity for coffee, okay, if you have a laptop, you can actually just connect it to the power source here and do your work. There's places here where you can sit, just have a meal and go off, also very convenient. I'm having my kopi o kosong here. Noodle experts, let's try. Looks a lot of varieties. Menu. So let me see what I can order here lah. Okay, so these are the condiments you can put. I think you will see this. This is a raw garlic. Interesting. I have no idea how they actually eat this in China. But I think you just need to peel yourself and crack it yourself and put inside the noodles. Which is interesting. The normal chili flakes. This is the shredded cold noodle with shredded chicken, and this is the sweet sour dumpling actually I ordered. So both of them, I asked how they suggested that I take it. They take it spicy lah, but you can adjust the level of spiciness according to what you are comfortable with. Supposed to stir the noodles. Stir the noodles, mix it up. So to start off with the shredded chicken cold noodle. Put some chicken egg. Lucky it's not too spicy like what I requested. Springy noodles with a little bit of sauce, not too dry though. If you find that it's too dry, just stir it. The sauce is right under below. Next is the dumpling. This is a sour soup dumpling. So it's also not that spicy. You can adjust your level of spiciness. If you haven't got it by now, this place is actually famous for their spicy stuff. So if you come here expect things to be spicy, of course you can adjust. Okay? But if you can take spicy, this place is the place to come. This is their homemade dumpling. They got a choice between dumpling and wonton, and they recommend dumpling. There's some meat in the dumpling. It's a pork. The soup is sour. Not that spicy, because I asked them to reduce it, because it can really get very spicy. So this is how I think most of it is the Chinese origin, China. Okay? So let me finish my lunch and I will take you to the next stall and next establishment, alright? That bridge is where Southview is. I'm standing on ground floor. This is the ground floor of SouthLink retail part. So this is the entrance, ground floor. So you can see there are a lot of shops here. Let's go and see what they have. Fukuniku is on my left, and if you go down, you have Lafayette. On my right, there's a pharmacy here. This is an empty lot. As you can see, just now is an empty lot. Pharmacy here. Lafayette, they accept lunch. Actually, a lot of people miss this part. There's a few shops inside. So it's also still under renovation. is a so this under renovation, left is also under renovation. And when you come here, there is another shop here. It's another eatery, hands lah. These are their menu. Prices also quite reasonable lah. So up next is this restaurant here, Fukuniku. I'm on the first floor. So I've heard a lot about their rice and burger patties on it. Yep, rice and burger patties. This is located on the first floor, SouthLink. Yeah. So 1990 for one. Okay. Two kitchens. It's a very simple restaurant. This is the only thing on the menu. No need to headache. Okay. So now they are serving the lunch set. Let's go through what they have. First, you have the signature. So you got a choice of pork and beef. And then you have the classic. Classic is how it is you serve. Okay. Citrus, spicy, cheese. The staff told me the one that is fast moving and a lot of people choose one is spicy wasabi. Okay. Then citrus, yuzu. Yuzu here, if you like salty stuff, then you can take yuzu. Okay, salty is a bit spicy. But I chose the classic because I always like to start with the classic one and then go from there. Okay, let's start with classic. Okay, so this is the dish. Very simple, right? Very fast to serve also. There's one side dish with the miso soup, and the star of the dish is of course this hamburger. I ordered the pork hamburger, and the rice underneath. Okay, on top there there's garlic lah. On first glance, it looks good. The burger is thick. The rice smells good too. Can't wait to try it. Okay, so it is. Looks good, ain't it? Let me just start trying. The star of the dish is definitely the burger. Let me just twist it and show you. So here is how it looks like. Nice. I can taste the garlicky, a bit garlicky, and then the pork is like good. Rice is served hot some more. It's going to be very filling. To me, 20 bucks for this one whole set for lunch, I think it's worth it. I like the pork. Okay, if you are ever around in SouthLink, okay, you can park downstairs. Come to try Fukuniku, alright? Okay, as usual, I'll leave the address of SouthLink lifestyle apartment in the description down below. This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.